Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install EvolveYou app in your device. EvolveYou app is a fitness app that is specifically designed for women. Now proceeding to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store, then search EvolveYou. Then you can find EvolveYou Fitness for Women. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open EvolveYou app to help you with your fitness journey. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.